So, hello friends. I'm just coming from my college. Uh, I have some assignment work and all, and I am too late and I didn't had a food. So let's time to make idli. I don't know it will be going good or bad. I know, friends, I'm not good in this editing section, and because I'm feeling like it is too much time consuming. मतलब इतना टाइम खा जाता है ना सब कुछ, और वैसे ही इतनी सारी चीज़ें करनी होती हैं. I have to go to college and deal with my assignment and all the things. I got a work project. मुझे work project मिला, project मिला है, that is rural development, urban development, etc., and all the topic related to it. And because of that, my all the schedule is like disturbed, and I can't able to come on time and on a fixed schedule. And I have a very difficult schedule. तो उस सब चक्कर में, क्योंकि मेरा टाइम सेट ही नहीं हो पाता, और फिर खाने का ही ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. कल भी मैं इवनिंग में वही सब में लगी हुई थी, बार बार बनाने के लिए इडली को. कल तो मुझसे नहीं हुआ, यहाँ तक कि मैंने 8 से 9 से 10 बार तो ट्राई कर ही लिया होगा, जिसमें 2 बार ही मैं सक्सेसफुल हुई हूँ इसे अच्छे से बनाने में. अदरवाइज हमेशा गड़बड़ होती है, हमेशा. कल भी गड़बड़ हुई, तो कल मैंने मैगी से काम चला लिया, एंड आज अच्छी बन गई, थैंक गॉड. एंड सो जैसे भी मैं अपने घर की चीज़ों को यूज़ करके कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि घर पे जो है उसी से चीज़ें करो तो बेटर है. हर चीज़ के लिए परफेक्ट इंस्ट्रूमेंट और परफेक्ट चीज़ें, सब कुछ सामान बार बार लेना हर चीज़ के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है. तो जो भी है, हालांकि गड़बड़ हो जाती है, जैसे कल गड़बड़ हुई. कल पूरे प्लेट में पानी चला गया था और आज नहीं गया. सो I know that I'm a very bad cook, very bad chef, but it's okay. I don't want to become expert in that section, but I'm trying my hard that I can do much better next time. This time, so I am like already exhausted because I went to afternoon to the college and deal with all the stuff. Then when I come back, I just need to do this thing, because I was very like, it's around evening, and I was that I need a food as soon as possible. So, and this is a easy way instead of chapati, because chapati is taking lot of time to making the dough and making them round, and that take lot of time. And even I'm not doing lot of physical activity, so the wheat and the grains are too much heavy for me. So I always feel lazy after having chapati, so that's why I just prefer this lighter foods. I don't know, I feel to have this idli and dosa, all the thing, because I don't know, after eating them I am feel satisfied, and it easy to make, and it easy to have it. Means I didn't feel lazy, and it feel like my appetite is satisfied. So life is all about learning. We are learning each and everything. We want to grow in each and everything. So I'm doing this too. I don't know when will I get my perfection, but I think nobody get perfection, but if someone get the perfection, that's good for them. But I'm not the person who is seeking for the perfection, and I said these things many times, but I want to improve, because I also don't want myself bad in anything. So I'm working a lot, and many times it's very difficult to manage with a lot of things which is going in your life. So many things is going at a time, and you have to deal with everything. You have to take care about your health. You have to take care about your career. You have to take care about each and everything, and you have to manage the things, and you have to be hard on yourself. That just one weakness I have earlier, that I was big emotional fool. Even right now I'm working on that. Right now I'm working on that. Still I'm not you know emotionally strong. Means at present also I'm not emotionally strong, and I'm working on myself a lot. Means because you know being emotionally weak is always give a people who are in front of you give a advantage to use you according to their needs, and they will do again and again until you are the one who become emotionally strong. So yeah, I'm not emotional fool for each and everyone. I'm many time I'm deal with it very strongly with many people, but there are just few people in my life where I always become emotional fool, and that at last hurt me. So hurt, okay, you understand na, that it at last make me feel that, oh, again I am so I'm working a lot on myself, and I always say to myself that working hard is not the problem, but being emotional fool is big problem. So try to use this life, the life given by the god, the supreme leader of this world, the power, the life, the time, and each and everything which he gives to you, the mind, the body, everything you need to be used for right purpose and do better in your life. So I'm doing on that. I don't know I will able to get a better result or not, but I am trying. At least I'm not giving up, or at least I'm not lazy, that just having a life, eat and enjoy and spend time on everything. I'm working on good things, and I will achieve it. And yeah, I'm good in many things, but I criticize a lot of myself, like but sometimes it's needed, not all the times. Like cooking, I know that I'm a very bad cook, but I'm working on it. And uh, that's all for today. This is the my process, that how to the things which is around you, you will use for yourself to uh, don't spend much money on the things which is needed, and try to be better every time. Like I attempt for 9 to 10 times, and still I don't know I'm making good or bad. Expert can say that that I make good one or not, but I at least it's a spongy one. It's not the my like my previous attempts, which is not even edible. So now it is eatable, and it satisfy my appetite, and I am happy. So this is the way I share some thoughts of mine with my cooking recipe, and hope so you guys enjoy. If you don't enjoy, I can't do that, because right now so I'm sharing whichever I can do right in present situations, because I am also lacking with time. I am dealing with many things, and many people are doing, and I am sharing best wishes for to each and everyone. That you guys achieve good in your life. God will, the supreme leader will give you positive thought and energy and positive environment to do positive things. And thanks a lot. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Because I'm lacking with time. I'm doing this in between the stream, which making me guilty that instead of study I'm doing this. But at last I'm a human being. Now I'm not a robot who can study 24 into 7 and 365 days. No, I can't. And I'm improving myself. So don't criticize me. And if you do, then let it be. Do yourself whatever you want to spend your time. It's your life, guys. I can't do much about others, but I can work on myself. And I'm working on many things. You will get more surprises in future, more productive one. Right now I'm just doing very raw things without any much efforts, but in future I will make efforts. I know it's also taking times and efforts, but it is not like that I'm putting all of my mind